Hello students, now we will continue with the chapter and the topic is themes. Theme is a slide design that gives all the slides of a presentation a particular look. Its design elements are a set of fonts, colors, effects and background themes. Uh, Changes all these elements to change and give a new look. We have to use certain steps like click the design tab, you will see a row of theme, use the arrow, click a theme to apply. Themes have variants like this. Actually what's a theme is there, a theme is usually has slides to different layouts. Means in your mobile also you use themes to change the color, backgrounds and fonts everything. आप अपने फ़ोन के भी थीम्स चेंज करते हैं, बैकग्राउंड चेंज करते हैं, फॉन्ट्स चेंज करते हैं. दिस ऑल कम्स अंडर थीम्स ओनली. कि आप अपने फ़ोन का बैकग्राउंड कलर चेंज कर लिया, वॉलपेपर चेंज कर लिया, मैसेज टाइपिंग के थीम्स चेंज कर लिए, चैट के थीम्स चेंज कर लिए. दिस ऑल कम्स अंडर themes only. So you do in mobile also and we also do in the laptop or computer. When doing the presentation for PowerPoint, we use this type of themes to make our presentation very attractive and beautiful. Choosing a theme while creating a new file, when you start a new presentation, you can choose a theme for it. Click a theme, this opens a box. So the detail of the theme, if you want, click to choose the variant that is shown, you can use. In presentation you also can use the templates is nothing, just like fixed or we can say default message or inbuilt message in the system. लाइक इन योर मोबाइल ऑल्सो आपके फ़ोन पे इनबिल्ट मैसेजेस होते हैं जो टेम्पलेट्स का नाम लेते हैं. लाइक आप अगर कोई आपको फ़ोन कर रहा है, आपने फ़ोन कट कर दिया, तो टेम्पलेट्स इस टाइप के मैसेजेस होते हैं जो आप अगर सेट करके रखें तो ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल गो टू द पर्सन हु कॉल्स यू, और वो आपको उसके पास ये मैसेज चले जाएगा दैट आई विल कॉल यू लेटर और आई एम बिजी, आई एम इन मीटिंग. दिस टाइप टेम्पलेट्स, ये सारे टेम्पलेट्स आप अपने फ़ोन पे भी देखे होंगे. This type of templates also you can use here. A template is a presentation on a topic that has already been designed for you. It may have a number of slides that you can modify to quickly make your presentation. While a theme is a slide design, a template is a presentation to be used in the starting point of your presentation. While creating a new presentation, click on one of the suggested searches, say personal. Choose templates from among the ones shown after the search. For example, you can choose the template for a calendar. So in this way you can choose the templates for a presentation. Adding and working with pictures, you know how to add a picture in a placeholder. Just select the picture and use the insert command. It will be come in the presentation slide. So after selecting the picture, you can locate it in your according to your size in the presentation slide. Cropping, like in a Word, in PowerPoint 2 you can crop a picture also. If you want to make it small, if you want to make it big, you can just use the command crop. Yes, the crop is a facility which gives you the chance to make your picture smaller or bigger. You can crop a picture to predefined shape like this. Select the picture and click the picture tool format tab, then click the down arrow all crop in the crop size. Click crop to shape in the drop down menu that appears. Select a shape from the gallery. The picture will be cropped to this shape. Picture style, select the picture and click the picture tool format tab. Browse through the different styles shown in the picture style group and select the one you want. Now come to photo album. The photo album feature makes a new presentation with your picture. Click on photo album in the image group on the insert tab. This will open the photo album dialog box. Click file disk to insert picture. You can select the inserted picture in the list shown by checking the box. Use the button below the list to change the order of the picture or remove them for the album. स्लाइड शो इज़ अ कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस ऑफ स्लाइड मीन्स आप एक बार स्लाइड शो का ऑप्शन जैसे ही क्लिक करेंगे आपने जितने स्लाइड्स बनाए हैं लाइक 10 और 12 स्लाइड्स बनाए हैं वो कंटिन्यू प्रोसेस में शो होगा विदाउट एनी इंटरप्शन ऑफ कमांड. Smart art graphic. A smart art graphic shows information in an attractive way with the help of shapes. To learn about smart art, let us make one that show the process making a photo album. Click Smart Art in the illustration group on the Insert tab. This open a dialog box. Double click a graphic to add it or slide or select the click. Smart Art graphic it means कुछ ऐसे आर्ट जो कि यूज़ होते हैं आपके प्रेजेंटेशन में. स्मार्ट आर्ट ग्राफिक्स मेनली यूज़ होता है कुछ स्ट्रक्चर्स डिफाइन करने में, कुछ फ्लो चार्ट्स डिफाइन करने में, एंड इट इज़ मेनली यूज बाय द बायो स्टूडेंट्स बिकॉज दे यूज लॉट्स ऑफ फ्लो चार्ट्स टू एक्सप्लेन देयर टॉपिक्स. तो स्मार्ट आर्ट उस तरह के शेप्स होते हैं जो प्री डिफाइंडली होती हैं. And you can quickly change the layout of smart art by using a different design from the layout gallery on the smart to here is an example. This is how we use smart art to show information attractively using shapes. यहाँ पे आपको दिखेंगे arrow shapes में square shapes, rectangle shapes. These all are the shapes which we get through smart art. और स्मार्ट आर्ट ग्राफिक इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत अट्रैक्टिव वे में आपको हेल्प करेगा टू कंप्लीट अ प्रेजेंटेशन. सो हियर वी आर कंप्लीटिंग द चैप्टर. बिफोर क्लोजिंग द वीडियो लेट्स गो थ्रू द some points related to the chapter. This point says that chapter says that we can change the layout of a slide from layout in the slide group on the home tab. The foreground background pane lets you change the background of a slide in many ways. Come to theme. A theme is a slide design that gives all the slides of a presentation a particular look. When come to a template, template is a presentation on a topic designed to be used by the system as the starting point of a new presentation. When come to photo album feature makes a new presentation with your pictures, your own pictures. You can also insert. You can insert pictures by clicking on pictures in the image group on the insert tab. Inserted pictures can be resized, rotated and cropped. You can crop a picture to a predefined shape. You can add different styles to pictures in a presentation. So in this way we have completed the chapter. 2 more days we will continue with this chapter only, and on Saturday I will provide the notes. Till then,